The Berg connector, more commonly known as Berg strip or Berg stick, also known as standard 2.54 mm pin headers, is a highly popular connector used with Arduino for prototyping and connecting components. They feature a 2.54 mm, that is 0.1 inch pitch, making them compatible with standard breadboards and most Arduino boards. Available in male, strip stick and female header configurations, straight or right angle. They are breakaway strips, meaning they can be broken into smaller sizes, example 2-pin, 8-pin, for specific project needs. While breaking into pieces, please note that one pin at the breaking position will be lost. Hence, break it one step ahead. They are used to connect jumper wires, sensors and modules on top of an Arduino. In LMR SDR 1.1, they are used to fix Arduino Nano and 16:2 display to the PCB.